it's Ice Ski with Frankie Z coming up here to the Tamarack lift. We're gonna ride this bad boy up while I'm on break. And this is it. This is it. This is how you get on. This is how you get on the Tamarack. And here we go. We're gonna ride behind these young ladies. Here we go. Now, I'm going to go. Beautiful lake is starting to feel itself here behind us. This is even how beautiful it is in summer. It's absolutely amazing. As you head up the lift here, you can see coming to the top. Came from right here behind us. Now you can recognize some of the scenery from up here. We're coming to the precipice of the mountain. Looking over the top here. Wow. Lake Tahoe behind dry side. And here's the trail we always take when we head on over. Look at this. Now here we come. You guys hear it all up here, don't you? I bet. Here we go. Hi ladies, welcome to Heavenly. So, we're gonna be heading down here. I wanted to show you where the lodge is. And this is the area over here where Olivia learned to ski on the Big Easy. And this is beautiful Lake Tahoe, folks. This is beautiful Lake Tahoe. As we pan around over here, dry side, Reno, all in this direction. Mammoth, heading over this direction. June Mountain, that direction. Welcome to Heavenly, folks. And obviously the beautiful Lake Tahoe, the beautiful blue Lake Tahoe from Tamarack Lift. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for the comments. I Ski with Frankie Z coming to you each winter. This time from Heavenly at Lake Tahoe. I Ski with Frankie Z. So you're looking at the gondola as it goes up and over. Looking at the cross that's in the mountain over there. They that lasts, it's a better indication of how the season should go. And here we are coming back to the Tamarack Lodge and beginning of the lift. Adult zip line starts at the top up there and runs down. Welcome to Heavenly. And that's our trip on Heavenly. Lift at the Tamarack. And we come. Alright. I ski with Frankie Z says thank you guys. Subscribe to the channel, like our videos, and subscribe. Peace. So that was us riding the Tamarack lift. As you can see behind me here, this is what it looks like in the winter. Tamarack lift. And there's the rock wall. I ski with Frankie Z, coming to you from Heavenly, top of Lake Tahoe. Thanks for watching.